Some diamonds are beautiful, but a cushion-cut diamond is unforgettable. Because unlike others, it is not just crafted. It is reborn again and again across centuries. Let us travel back to a world lit not by electricity, but by fire. It is the 1700s. In a dimly lit workshop, a craftsman leans over a raw diamond. No lasers, no machines, just hands, instinct, and reverence. He doesn't carve for perfection. He carves for emotion. Every flick of his blade is guided by candlelight because diamonds were not meant to dazzle in daylight. They were meant to whisper their beauty in the dark. And so the old mine cut was born. Deep, chunky, soft around the edges, like a gemstone meant to glow rather than sparkle. These gems came from Brazil, then the beating heart of the diamond world. Miners called them treasures of the old mines. And soon, royalty draped themselves in these glowing stones, wearing them to grand ballrooms where violins played and chandeliers swayed. Under warm golden candlelight, the diamonds didn't flash. They smoldered. They didn't demand attention. They held it with quiet, burning grace. But time, like a master jeweler, reshapes everything. The world traded candles for electricity, whispers for spotlight, and the old mine cut could no longer stay the same. New tools, new dreams, new brilliance. What once was glowing and romantic began to transform into something sharper, bolder, more radiant. But in that evolution, something beautiful happened. The old mine cut did not die. It matured. It became the cushion cut. Imagine a diamond that remembers where it came from. A gem that still carries the warmth of candlelight, but now burns with the intensity of modern precision. That is the modern cushion cut. A perfect marriage of past and present. It retains the rounded corners and soft silhouette of its ancestor, but now each facet is polished to reflect light like 1,000 tiny mirrors. No longer just glowing, it dances with fire. They say every cushion-cut diamond has two souls. One, ancient, nostalgic, whispering of royal banquets and handwritten love letters. The other, bold, brilliant, crafted for red carpets and champagne evenings. Look closely, and you will see both. Vintage romance, modern radiance, all living within one stone. A diamond may be measured in carats, but a cushion cut is measured in stories. It is chosen not just by those who want sparkle, but by those who want soul. Those who understand that beauty isn't always loud. Sometimes it is patient, refined, eternal. The cushion-cut diamond, not just worn, but remembered.